Welcome to Freedomfully, where we cultivate your retirement journey together.
What if some of the most powerful medicine you could take was already sitting in your kitchen, waiting to be used? That's not a metaphor. It's the quiet truth that traditional healing systems have understood for centuries, and that modern science is now confirming, study by study. Today we're exploring the world of healing spices, not as exotic supplements or complicated protocols, but as vibrant, accessible, delicious ingredients that can transform your everyday cooking into an act of genuine self-care. Let's start with the golden one. Turmeric has been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for thousands of years, and its reputation is fully earned. The active compound, curcumin, is one of the most studied natural anti-inflammatories and antioxidants in the world. And that matters enormously as we age, because chronic inflammation is at the root of so many of the conditions associated with getting older: arthritis, heart disease, cognitive decline. Curcumin works at the cellular level to interrupt that inflammatory process. It's also a potent antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your cells from the oxidative damage caused by free radicals, the process that underlies much of what we call aging. One important note: curcumin is absorbed much more effectively in the presence of black pepper. A compound in black pepper called piperine increases curcumin absorption dramatically. So whenever you cook with turmeric, add a pinch of black pepper alongside it. How to use it: stir it into curries, soups, rice, roasted vegetables, or scrambled eggs. Or make golden milk. Warm your favorite milk, whisk in a teaspoon of turmeric, a pinch of black pepper, a touch of honey or maple syrup, and a little cinnamon. It's deeply comforting and genuinely healing. Next, ginger, the fiery root of vitality. Ginger has been used across cultures for millennia, and for good reason. Its active compounds, called gingerols, are powerful anti-inflammatories and antioxidants, with a particular gift for the digestive system. If you struggle with nausea, bloating, or digestive discomfort, ginger is one of the most effective natural remedies available. It's also well documented for reducing the pain and stiffness associated with arthritis, making it especially relevant for active seniors. How to use it: grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups, and marinades. Steep a few slices in hot water for 5 minutes, and you have a soothing ginger tea that works beautifully for an unsettled stomach or a sore throat. A small piece of fresh ginger added to a morning smoothie wakes everything up beautifully. Beyond turmeric and ginger, your spice cabinet holds a whole pharmacy worth exploring. Cinnamon is a remarkable blood sugar regulator. It improves insulin sensitivity and helps stabilize blood sugar levels after meals, which is meaningful for anyone managing or wanting to prevent type 2 diabetes. It's also simply delicious: in oatmeal, in yogurt, in warm drinks, on roasted sweet potatoes. Cayenne contains a compound called capsaicin, which is a natural metabolism booster and pain reliever. It improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and has been studied for its role in cardiovascular health. A small amount in soups, stews, or marinades adds heat and genuine therapeutic value. Garlic is one of nature's most powerful immune boosters: antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal. Regular consumption of garlic has been associated with reduced frequency and severity of illness, and with meaningful cardiovascular benefits including lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol. It's also one of the most flavor-transforming ingredients in cooking, which makes it one of the easiest healthy habits to maintain. And rosemary, fragrant, resinous, and deeply underestimated, has been studied specifically for its effects on cognitive function. Compounds in rosemary appear to protect acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter essential for memory and concentration. Even the scent of rosemary has been shown in studies to improve memory performance. Keep a fresh plant on your kitchen windowsill. Cook with it regularly. Let your kitchen smell like it. Here's the larger truth underneath all of this: food is medicine. Not in a vague wellness culture sense, in a specific biochemical cellular sense. The choices you make at the stove 3 times a day have a cumulative compounding effect on your inflammation levels, your immune function, your cognitive health, and your energy. And spices are one of the most potent, most accessible, and most delicious ways to make those choices work in your favor. Here's my question for you today: what is your favorite healing spice? Or your favorite recipe that uses one? Maybe it's a golden milk ritual you swear by, or a ginger tea that's been in your family for generations. Share it in the comments. Our community collects these recipes and rituals like treasure, and yours belongs here. If today's video gave you something nourishing, please give it a like and share it with someone who might appreciate the reminder that healing can taste this good. Subscribe to Freedomfully and ring the bell so you never miss a new conversation. Your kitchen is already a healing space. You just need to lean into it. Spice up your life as you cultivate your freedom fully.